Hi, I'm David TUBB. We're going to talk about our new ELR Bubblevel. It's designed to give you much more sensitivity and yet be controllable in the field. I've made Bubblevels in the past, and this is an improvement on all of it, not only in the housing, but in the sensitivity of the level and in the ability to see the level and see the bubble, which side it's on, and or as it comes into position. To go backwards a bit, most people's Bubblevel is this front one. It's called a 1 hour level. You can see the sensitivity of it. These are all the same, on the same level piece of aluminum. But you can see you're off. It's off obviously one direction, but the center little Bubblevel in the 1 hour one, the very front one, is not showing much change. And the middle one is a 30-minute level, as is the new TUBB ELR level. And the level on the back is more like a 15-minute level. It's much more sensitive. It's too sensitive to be used in the field. And in reality, the front one is much less sensitive. And so we've settled on the middle one, once again, the 30-minute level. If you look, it says 34 ELR, 34 and 35, so it'll work for a 34 millimeter or a 35 millimeter Bubblevel. You may have to change the screw length here, but it's all designed to work very well, and it can be used. Obviously, this bubble has some ellipse to it, curvature, and so we glue them in so that it's designed to be used up. But if you'll call, if you really want one that's glued the other way, we can glue the Bubblevel in upside down so you can use it in this position if that was what you were requiring. Okay. Here on this DTR scope, we have actually all three Bubblevels. A normal one, the 1 hour level, the very sensitive one, the 15-minute level, you can see how much wider it is, and the new TUBB ELR level. And if you'll notice that you can see the level move the entire direction, right or left, on the TUBB one. If we move them all, let's say to the right, okay, then basically you lose this one. You can see a little touch of it. You just about lose the less sensitive 1 hour one, but the TUBB level, you can still see the whole Bubblevel right there. Okay? So if you're always fighting it one way or the other, and of course this is not only tells you if your gun is level, but this is your positional control, because if you have this level to the scope and you're always got it off to one side, it tells you want to hold your rifle with a little bit of cant, and you should adjust loosen the rings and slide your scope into a level position. So when I bring this back, you can see how fast the sensitivity 15-minute one does, and of course the ELR level has a little bit of sensitivity to it, but the 1 hour level is very lethargic. Okay? So every degree that you're off here on a cant is basically a 6-inch point of impact change at 1,000 yards with a 308. Anyway, these are available from Superior Shooting Systems. They're about $55, but there's a lot of well thought out process in it, and it is obviously a very much more sensitive level, and it's very easy to track it across. And in my opinion, it's much of an improvement over typically what's available for the consumer today.